Every day, your plant is under attack from a hidden enemy. A two-pronged assault from within the very power lines you rely on. This enemy is devious, silently and invisibly breaching your defenses and invading your systems. The enemy is harmonic distortion, which hand in hand with its cohort, poor network power factor, wreaks havoc in industries troubled by weak electrical networks, such as water and waste treatment, district heating, and HVAC. Here we see the incoming mains power waveform. In an ideal world, this would be a clean, pure sinusoidal wave. But in reality, this innocent facade is containing a secret army of glitches we call harmonics. There is no such thing as a good harmonic, and they cause no end of trouble. You may not be able to see, smell, or hear harmonics, but you can detect their trail of destruction from excessive heating of conductors, motors, or transformers, through to spurious tripping of circuit breakers, damage to lighting, and interference with communications equipment. And the problems don't end there. You may already have the enemy in your midst, as non-linear loads connected to the network, such as rectifiers and variable speed drives, are a breeding ground for more harmonics that can inject themselves directly into the grid. And the only thing to stand in their way is this: the ABB low harmonic drive, your secret weapon in the fight against the harmonics. This special drive from the top boffins at ABB meets these challenges head-on and is ready to stand guard 24 hours a day. Its deceptively compact footprint conceals a powerful arsenal of features, everything it needs to combat harmonics and provide effective power factor correction. Either wall or cabinet mounted, the low harmonic drive, rated from 5.5 to 2,800 kilowatts, has no need for complex multi-winding transformers with 12 or 18 pulse drive configurations traditionally needed to control harmonics. In fact, harmonic performance with this ABB low harmonic drive is better than with 12 and 18 pulse solutions, because it also handles online imbalance or other shortcomings in the supply network. Take a look at a 6-pulse frequency converter and the resulting mains current. Now compare that with the 12-pulse frequency converter waveform. And finally, the effect of the ABB low harmonic drive. Passive or active external filtering devices are avoided, making the solution compact and simple. And with a total current distortion of less than 5%, it exceeds the requirements set by standard IEEE 519, even in the weakest of networks. As opposed to multi-pulse solutions, the drive needs no transformer, so less cabling, floor space, and installation work on site. But what about the power factor? Well, thanks to its ability to produce reactive power, the ABB low harmonic drive can correct power factor in real time according to the plant's needs. So just how does this drive achieve these remarkable feats? The solution uses a switching rate substantially higher than the network frequency, which will effectively reduce the low-frequency harmonics. This still leaves some higher frequency noise due to the switching rate, which can be filtered by advanced LCL low harmonic line filters. Other than that, this solution does not need additional filtering equipment or complicated multi-phase transformers. The ABB solution is to use the principles found in direct torque control, taking the references from the network rather than the motor. This creates a sinusoidal wave relatively free of current harmonics, resulting in distortion of less than 5%. This clean sinusoidal current will therefore cause little or no distortion on the network voltage waveform. So there you have it. With ABB's low harmonic drive standing guard, the network current is almost harmonic free, and the plant's power factor can be corrected. Low harmonic levels and reactive power compensation boost power distribution efficiency and decrease network loading. At the same time, the need for over-dimensioning of power plant and distribution network capacity is reduced. More efficient utilization of energy and reduced losses not only save power costs, but also help to preserve the environment. The ABB Low Harmonic Drive, your first and last line of defense in the fight against harmonics.